I'm Fernando Barnacho from Passimon. We are a company that is specialized in the manufacturing of monitoring solution for condition assessment. We have been doing this topic since 2010. So we have, during these 10 years, made a huge database of values that nowadays, with our sensing of each customer, we compare against our existing database of thousands of sensors and thousands of installations monitor, permitting to give alerts prior to the failure. So this means we participate in the predictive maintenance and condition monitoring of the assets of an utility, either in distribution or transmission. Our goal to the market is to address this Middle East market through reliable partners that with high expertise that can integrate the solution to all the customers. As in this case, we have identified that all these values are represented in Dutco Teennat that we are sure is going to help us during this process.